Oh my God! Ila, abante ka konti doon.
Enjoy your everyday. Mabuhay kang hanggat gusto mo. Kumain kang hanggat gusto mo.
Oo nga!
Happy birthday, Ayla. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday sa my cousin na Devita and Ayla. Happy 18th birthday, Ayla. 18 ka
Ayla,
na
mahaba yan.
Isang panahon, tumatanda na talaga.
Alam niya mahaba.
O i-i-a.
Ayan. Sino yun?
May this year bring you endless joy, incredible adventures, and success in all your endeavors. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ayla! Hope your special day is a wonderful as you are. Happy birthday, God bless you, I love you.
Hi, Ayla. Tito Arwin ko to. Happy 18th birthday. Ang saya naman. Dalagang-dalaga ka na. Siyempre, ang gusto ko sa'yo, good health. I-bless ka pa ni God ng marami. Siyempre, lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay ay matupad mo. Okay? Always be a good girl. Makinig ka lagi sa nanay at tatay mo. And mag-aral mabuti. I-bless ka palalo ni God. Okay? So again, happy birthday.
Pancake, nice. Ano naman sasabihin niya sa birthday na Ayla? Sana pakainan mo pa ako. Ano sasabihin mo Ayla? Sana, huwag mo na ako matatakal. Ikaw po pancake. Sana paniguan mo na ako palagi. Nice. Pancake! Pancake! Ayaw nyo naman tumiinit.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ayla!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to Ayla! Tita Ayla Queen!
Happy birthday, Ayla! I miss you this little. And you know, Sam always said that Sam always said that she always loves you as well. So happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ba't ka umiiyak?
Bye! Miss you, we love you!
Hi, Ayla. Happy birthday. I wish you well. Once you're an adult, dapat mas responsible ka na, magpakatatag ka sa lahat ng pagsubok na pwede mong pagdaanan. Huwag ka susuko, sundin mo lang yung pangarap mo. Ayan, chat ng chat si Nina Oli. Alright. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ina. Happy birthday, Ina. Happy birthday.
Hiya, EJ. Happy birthday. 18 years ago? My golly. Ang bilis ng panahon. 18 years ka ng baby girl ng Gachi. Hope you enjoy your day. Maraming adulting. maraming nakakaiyak, pero tawanan mo na lang, sanay ka na dyan. You have been a joy, not just by your mere name, but your laughter, nakakahawa yun. Tama yun. Tsaka, huwag kang ma-stress sa mundo. Marami pa kayong matitikmang ganyan. Mararanasan. Ang wish ko sa'yo, God will provide you and keep you sa lahat ng pangarap mo, naway matupad, at sa lahat-lahat ng pagpapaganda. My gosh, ang dami mo nang alam, batang-bata pa lang kayo. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay dahil marami pang darating sa inyo. Masusurprise ka na lang. Nasa pagdadala yan. Hope you enjoy your day and more 18 years to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Ayla. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Ayla. More blessings to come.
Ginagawa niya kayo.
Happy birthday, Ate Ayla.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Ate Ayla. Happy your birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, La! 18 ka na. Wala ko, 60 lang. More blessing, good health, and happiest birthday every year. From Lola Pic.
Hello, Ayla. Happy 18th birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Ang wish ko sa iyo at pinagpe-pray ko, sana ay makatapos ka na yung pag-aaral at maging matagumpay. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ayla. Happy birthday. Hanggang ka mabuti na, ha? Huwag ka munang paliligaw. Be a good girl. Sa parents mo, sa kuya mo. Huwag mo sila pababayaan. Kaya meron ka. At ingatan mo sarili mo. Lagi ka nagpipray. Lag ka ng lalagtitana. Ano lang. Okay? Happy birthday. And more birthday to come.
Hi Ayla, happy birthday. Legal ka na. Tara, Bart. I just want to say, if you have any problems, just come and tell your cousins. We're here for you always. And kaya sige, go. I-rant mo na lang yan sa IG story mo. I-CF mo yan. Anyways, ima-manifest na din kita na magkaroon ka na ng jowang bet na yan. Say thank you. Charot. Happy birthday. Love you so much. Yeah. Mama. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ayla. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung pagiging adults mo. Hindi ka na minor. So, pwede ka nang uminom legally. Tapos, pwede ka na rin makulong. Yun lang, kakauwi ko lang. Happy birthday, happy 18th birthday. I love you so much, much, much.
Ayla, happy birthday. May your day be filled with love and happiness. Happy birthday.
Pakinggan mo yun.
Enjoy.
enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Second is, I hope the food is good. Third is,
Magkamukha mo yan.
we could see you again. That's good. Huwag mo magulo. Happy birthday, Ayla.
Happy birthday, Ayla. I'm so sorry for the kalat and everything, but I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I hope you're doing well, and I know that you'll make your friends and family proud always. And stay safe and stay humble, and more opportunities to come. I know you will slay all of them. So happy birthday. Your life is still long. So enjoy every moment and enjoy everything that will come to you. Yun lang. Hang out ulit soon sa inyo. Sa birthday ulit na kuya mo. Ayun, happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Ayla. Happy 18th birthday. It's your special day. Enjoy. Dream big. Reach your goal. Always be positive. Love your parents more. Sometimes, failure is part of success. Embrace it, move on, and fly high. Continue to pray.
Alam niya ata eh.
Enjoy and be happy always.
Santos, happy birthday. See you when I see you. Have a good one.
Siya ba may birthday? Ba't yun eh?
Hi, baby.
Ito kami mag-iwan. Kaya nalaman ko na buntis ako. Alam ko na girl.
Hindi na ako pinakinggan. Hindi na ako.
Basta, nag-20. Ka naman lagi. So, sabi ko, tama, girl, boy and girl. So, yun ang lumabas na siya. Sobrang cute na baby. At syempre hanggang ngayon ay sobrang cute pa rin naman at kinaaral. Tama ba ako? Sa mga nanonood dyan. So, si Ayla is...
baka mahimatay ka dyan mamaya.
Siyempre, masunuri naman yan kahit pa paano. Nagpapasalamat ako na si Ayla ay yun nga, lumaki siya mabait, appreciative. So, thank you for being you, Ayla. Dahil sobrang na-appreciate mo kahit ano yung nare-receive mo at saka alam mo yung wants versus needs. So, hindi ka naman makinig pagdating sa ganang bagay. At alam naman namin kung ano talaga yung needs kung kailangan namin i-provide para sa inyo ng kuya mo. And thank you dahil naging maayos kang bata.
Hindi pa rin ako
alam naman natin na hindi ka sa mga house chores dahil pinalaki na naman kita na hindi masyadong tutok sa mga gawain bahay pero marunong kasi lumaki rin ako na baby rin ako nun so ganyan din hindi rin ako masyadong sa gawain bahay pero lumaki ako na or nandito na ako sa age na to na naging responsible ako. Natuto rin ako or alam ko on my own kung ano yung dapat kong gawin. Kasi by the time na nandun ka na sa stage na yun, ayoko na dumating yung time na kasawaan mo yung mga ganong klaseng bagay or gawain. So sa ngayon, para sa akin, ma-enjoy mo yung life mo and yung mga priorities mo para sa iyong future, tsaka yung mga goals mo, wish ko na matupad. And yung good future mo, syempre, yun ang ikaliligaya namin. So, yun.
Happy 18th birthday na ang aming baby girl. 18 na siya. Pero sa akin, siya pa rin ang aking baby girl. We love you very much and we thank the Lord na itong aming baby, itong binigay kayo na sa amin, nagbibigay ng joy sa aking buhay, sa aming buhay, na nagmamahal sa inyo. Wish you all the joy and happiness in life. God bless. I love you very, very much, baby girl.
Happy 18th birthday, Ayla.
Love you.
Naman, sana mag-enjoy ka and yung mga wish mo, sana natupad din. Aral ka lang mabuti. Dito kami palagi.
Oo, sa mga success mo sa buhay at magiging success pa. Alam namin kaya mo lahat yan kasi ito magiging lakas din namin sa pang-araw-araw namin. Kaya nga enjoy ang pangalan mo kasi ikaw ang nagbibigay ng joy sa amin. At sana din yung mga nag-greet sa'yo, nagustuhan mo. Kung meron pa susunod na itong nag-greet sa'yo, there's more. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Enjoy.
I love you. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Joy. Gotcha. Happy 18th. Sabi nga milestone ko sa isang babae. You're now a woman. So, responsibilities. Empower mo ang iyong skills, ang dahil ng talent. And I will always pray for your good health, especially for you and the entire family na through the years, nandito kayo sa puso ko. At mananatili yun habang ako ay nandito. Praying for your success, of course, sa pag-aaral mo and in the future endeavors pa sa iyong buhay. Basta lagi kang magdadasal, don't always pray. And pray to God for His grace and mercy para sa iyo at sa buong pamilya. Lagi yung family. Love for the family. Happy birthday, 18th na. Say, go girl! Love you.
Hello, Ella. It's me, Luz Claudio. I just want to wish you a super happy 18th birthday. All the best in this new chapter of your life. Nimbus.
Lusito. Asawa ni Richard Gulay.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Naku, ayun, dalaga ka na. You're finally 18, so make smart choices and be happy. I hope lahat ng mga gusto ng puso mo ay matupad. Huwag kang magsashabu. Baka wala kang isipan mo bigla. Huwag kang mag-illegal drugs. Huwag kang magsusugal. Magmahal ka lang lagi. Sana mag-meet tayo someday, makapunta kayo sa Basta kapag meron kaming live recording. Kaya, I love you. Thank you for listening sa Ang Walang Kwentang Podcast. Happy birthday!
Hello, Happy 18th birthday. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ginawa ko sa mundo para maging karoon siya ng sobrang napakabait at napaka-mahal kang nanay. Well deserved naman. I hope to see you soon and or not. Depende. Depende sa mama mo kung papayagan ka. Happy birthday and I love you so much. Pero hey, din sa Dasha. Kaya na nagpakilala from Drag Race Philippines.
Hi. I just want to say a happy 18th birthday.
I wish I was there to celebrate with you. You will have a great day in your special day. See you very soon.
Hi, Ayla. It's me, Karen. Happy 18th birthday to you. And I'm so happy that you are supporting our local drag community. Thank you very much for watching Drag Race Philippines. And please continue supporting our drag artists because they are really excellent and world class. God bless you always, and I hope we see you in one of the viewing parties.
Next season, please.
Hi Ayla, it's Naia, and I want to wish you a very, very happy 18th birthday, girl. Happy debut. I hope that you have a very, very great day as you step into womanhood. Wow. I hope to see you again, and thank you for enjoying my performances and loving drag. I hope that you continue to be a light to your family. Wow. And see you very soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ayla. I hope you have a wonderful time. God bless you. Sino si Ayla?
Oh my God!
Happy
Oh my God!
Sana kung magmamahal ka, sana sa hindi pabigat sa buhay. Happy birthday, Ayla.
Having a grand time today. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Wala na to? Wala na to?
Mabalik na kayo lang.
Baka may ipa-baby pa ulit. Wala na.
May